So some of you watching this video are getting the Clickbank hops, but you're not making any sales. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert that traffic into actual sales. We're starting right now. What's up guys, my name is John, and if you want to make money from home utilizing the power of affiliate marketing, I would consider you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and go ahead and click the notification bell, because on this channel I release videos every single week on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now guys, in this video today, I'm actually gonna show you how you can actually start converting that traffic that you're sending to your Clickbank products and actually turning those into sales. This is a huge problem amongst a ton of affiliate marketers, and today in this video, I'm gonna debunk the myth of how to turn that traffic and convert it into sales. You don't wanna miss this one. Let's go on and jump to the laptop. Come on, let's go. All right guys, so we're gonna jump right into this video. So what basically happens is when you're doing online marketing, affiliate marketing, you usually will have a buyer here, right? And you'll have your Clickbank product. Now, I know you guys have watched all the gurus videos and they show you exactly how to pick out the perfect product. You got the product that has the high gravity, it's converting, it's this, it's that, it should be selling if you send traffic to it. So what most people are frustrated by is that sometimes they'll send traffic to this page and they'll get this buyer to this page here, or to the sales product, but they're not actually buying. And there's a couple reasons why. Number one, this buyer may be frustrated, this buyer may have information overload, this buyer may have had bad experience with other marketers, they may have been scammed. So they're skeptical, right? So they're skeptical and they're just sitting here and they're looking at the product after product after product, and every email that they get, the guru is telling them that this is the product that is going to change your life, it's going to make you make millions and you never have to buy another product again, and this is it. So this is what this buyer is going through, you know? So you have to realize that, you know, they're being marketed to a whole lot, and you have to kind of get in the head of this person, so that how can you figure out how to, you know, influence or convince or show this person that the product that you're selling is a quality product, and even if it doesn't make them $1 million tomorrow, it can definitely help them get much closer to their goal as they go up that ladder of getting to the point where they want to be in terms of their financial goal. So what you have to do if you want to get this person to buy this Clickbank product, what you have to do is go ahead and bridge the gap. Right, so I just moved not too long ago to a new home, and when you move into a new home, you have all of these different companies marketing to you, right? And one of the particular services I wanted to get when I moved in is I wanted to get a deep cleaning for my house. So I was looking at all the brochures and the flyers, everything that came to my house when I moved in, and there was probably like 5 or 6 different cleaning companies that I saw. So I was kind of going over their information. I called a few of them just to try to figure out, you know, what they did, what they provided. But I was confused. They were all kind of saying the same thing. They were all claiming to be the best. And basically I didn't know which one to choose. Now, I went down the street and was just having a casual conversation with my neighbor. We were just talking about the neighborhood, and I was telling him that I wanted to get my house cleaned. And he told me that he had tried a couple of the cleaning companies, and then he recommended one to me that he really liked, because he had tried out about 3 different companies over the time he had lived here. So he recommended one, and what he did was he bridged the gap. So he painted the picture of, okay, you have your house, you want to get it clean, but let me tell you what this particular cleaning service did for him. So he explained to me how this particular company would like go the extra mile by like cleaning the baseboards and cleaning the ceiling fans and moving furniture and getting behind tables and chairs and things that a typical company would probably just clean around, versus them actually taking the time to move stuff around, shuffle things around to make sure that they do a super efficient job at cleaning your house. So what he did for me was he bridged the gap. So I'm the customer, and I went to get my house clean, and here are all these cleaning companies all over here. There's tons of them. They're all marketing to me. But one person stood out. You know, he could almost be an affiliate for that cleaning company, and he stood out and he said, hey, I think that you should use this particular cleaning company, and here's the reasons why. So he laid that out for me, and he gave me that value, and he convinced me through the information that he gave me to go with company X. So I ended up hiring that particular cleaning company and got my house clean, and I was very happy with them. But that's what I mean by he ended up bridging the gap for me. And that's what you need to do in your online marketing business, guys. You need to bridge the gap between the buyer and the product, and you need to put some information in between to help accelerate the buying process or help them to influence the buying process, because you can still get people to buy on certain products, but you have to be getting a lot of traffic. So don't get me wrong, you can get this buyer to buy this, but you have to get a lot of traffic, but you'll increase your conversions tremendously if you bridge the gap. So what that actually looks like is something like this. So you send traffic to a squeeze page. They go through that squeeze page. This is the bridge page that I was talking to you about, where you're going to bridge the gap between the squeeze page and the sales page. So you are basically just going to be pre-framing the offer, giving information about the product, about what they're going to learn, about the training, about the service, whatever you're trying to sell. You just give your personal testimony here. You can just do a quick 3-minute video, or you can even do an ebook here, or just some information here that will pre-frame the actual sales product. So once they get to the actual product, they already know all of these, benefits and features that this product is going to help them with. So it warms them up so that they are more likely to purchase this product. And then of course you want to follow up with autoresponder messages so that you can go ahead and increase more sales as the days go on. So just to kind of show you guys in a live example what this actually looks like, this is a squeeze page that I created, and basically on the squeeze page I'm saying, hey, I'm going to give you a free video that shows you a 3 simple step way to generating $200 a day on complete autopilot. So this is my claim, this is my promise, this is the video that I'm going to show them. They opt in, and then once they opt in, they go to a video here where I'm doing some training and I'm pre-framing an offer, right? So I go through this training. I'm just like all about how to generate $100 to $200 a day online. This is actually a 3-part training, but you don't have to do a 3-part. This is just something that I did, but you could just have like one video here explaining, how you can generate $200 a day, or whatever the product is. You could be explaining it in this bridge page here. And once you explain that information, you can say, go ahead and click the link below. You see this link here? I'm sending them then to a sales page in which they can purchase a product. Now, my likelihood of getting sales are going to increase dramatically because I did this pre-framing. And that's what you guys need to do in your online business if you want to increase your sales conversions. If you want to increase your odds of getting those sales, you need to pre-frame or bridge that gap to the actual product. So I hope this made sense, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed before. Also, I actually have some affiliate marketing training that talks about all of this information that I just talked about just now, in terms of getting high conversions on your squeeze page, doing bridge pages, picking high converting offers, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. It'll be in the link below, so go ahead and check it out. It's free internet affiliate marketing training. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.